Kaseng san perthai BJP ha Meghalaya langba ki nong ilam jongka kilapan pau ya ke Jingbom Sngewtynnad ya menteri rangba ka Jalau Konrad ke sangma Halor ka Jingpdiang jungu ya ke Jingwan Iasnoh jong ki sangut ki MLA kaseng Kongres ya ke Sorkar MDA kebalalam khmat da kaseng NPP ha ba kaseng BJP kala itrilang nadu basdang bantau ya ke ne ke Sorkar hapo ke Jala Meghalaya. Uba Arnes Mauri ulaong ba menteri jong Sorkar Jala Meghalaya ulade ban pentip balade ban ya selok lang bat ki parlok ke bedon lang hakane ke Sorkar namar ke di ke Sorkar senrop bat kanom la ban longru ban Jingpdiang kumtu namar ulaong ba kaseng BJP kanom la ban trilang ban kaseng Kongres namar ke de ban long bet thik kumbalong hanong ba Delhi ba kinik artli seng san perthai kimla ban ya trilang Nagaliang jong unong ilam kaseng BJP ha Meghalaya ulong basyan kaseng kansalit bania kendu iyo menteri rangba ka Sorkar Jala badruan pa ek jing tho syaki bor ki Halor jong kaseng BJP ban pentip ba kaseng Kongres bat kaseng BJP kimla bania trilang ha ka Jala Meghalaya.
So we have discussed about the incident take place, joining of MLA to support the government. So we have already sent the feedback to our central leader in Delhi, and we are awaiting for their reply, and they might ask about our decision. So you see, first of all, I have already stated in the press on that day, when this incident take place, we are not informed as the coalition partner in this MDA government. We have seen in the across after they given the support to the government, we have seen through the social media and newspaper. So today we have taken a decision. We'll write one letter to the Chief Minister asking about this clarification regarding with the joining. So today only we have decided, and by Monday we are sending the official letter.
Here, so we understood that our objective is this one. They have ready to accept our ideology. That cannot be. This is that combination will never come, because the Congress they may resign, they may merge. Still, they have a process. So they may take our ticket also.
Have they approached you?
No, not yet, because only suddenly we come to know through the media they have joined.
Okay, writing to Konrad Sangma, what benefit you will get? Because you already decided, okay, let them join, let them be here, no problem for us. So what is the need of writing to him now?
No, at least official record should be there. Our office is there. At least history. Tomorrow another development will come. At least we have a history that because of this arrangement, we are joining here. Because they have accepted our ideology. Because NPP, BJP, HSPDP, PDF and UDP is combined together our government now, MDA government. So we have set up an understanding that we will run a particular way of government. So any political party like, I do not know, tomorrow TMC may support if they accept our ideology. BJP being a national party, here we may be having a very less number, but we are ruling in a country. So we expect that the Chief Minister would have been informed us, at least courtesy said that these are the people who are joining the government. So I'm informing you officially. But that part is neglected. That is why we are also confused. Because confused what our State President Ernest Moriji already written to the National President to things. But again the system is like that. Our opinion they will seek first. So after that, today we had a meeting already. This core committee decided that we will write a letter, because it should be an official record, because we are a partner and we should also have every right to know what is going on in the government. So that is why we have to write, and after that what kind of reply will come we do not know. But in politics here everything is possible. You see, today in Manipur, our NPP party is campaigning against BJP. So here BJP is also one of the coalition partners. So sometimes state-wise some strategy was made. That is why today Congress comes supporting us. As a Congress supporting us means that is their weaknesses, and we are also inviting them. There is no harm that Congress cannot support us. because they are finishing, they are reducing to the zero, ground zero. So that is why they are supposed to be survive. So that is why they can take any party ticket when elections come.